Oh, this is a new municipal compliant Gaia Composter. Must have taken you all day to get the wet waste in, right?
No sir, it just took me 15 minutes to dump my 15 kg of waste. All I had to do was mix my kitchen waste with cocoa peat, add 1 teaspoon of microbes and dump it inside the Gaia. That's all.
Won't you have to build any shed for this?
No sir, Gaia is an outdoor natural composter. Be it rain or sunshine, Gaia composts perfectly fine. You just have to put it on hard, flat surface where there is fresh air circulation. You can put it on your terrace, garden, inside compound wall or any open space in your campus is perfectly fine. So this means no headache of building sheds or storage rooms.
The compost must be smelly. You're adding the wet waste all day. How will you handle the smell?
If it smells, it won't sell. We have worked with over 800 organizations and we assure you completely smell-free composting. It's designed in a way that it has 4 breathing towers, multiple air vents. This helps with air circulation and speeds up composting. And this way you get beautiful black gold with your kitchen waste in just 21 days.
Nice. So all I have to do is just get the wet waste, add the cocoa peat, mix it with microbes, and add the waste inside the composter and leave it for 21 days.
That's completely right, sir.
And how about the electricity, maintenance, annual charges?
Gaia is completely hassle-free and does not require electricity. Its intelligent design ensures that you don't have to handle maintenance cost or repair visits. Also, we are one call away. Whenever you need, you can ask us.
Nice, I'm pretty impressed. Will it last long?
Yes sir, it will last for more than 10 to 15 years. Why waste your wet waste when you can easily generate the resource of compost at your own site? Daily Dance Gaia help you with hassle-free, smell-free and electricity-free composting. So what are you waiting for? Call us now for your free compost consultation.